Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about helium neon laser. This is the construction of helium neon laser, in which we can see fully silvered mirror on left hand side and partially silvered mirror on right hand side. Also the laser beam is emitting from the right hand side. In between the mirror there is a mixture of helium neon in the ratio 10:1 in a tube. The tube is connected to a discharge electrodes. Construction. First, active medium. It is a gas laser which consists of narrow quartz tube filled with a mixture of helium and neon gas in the ratio 10:1 respectively at low pressure, that is 0.1 mm of Hg. Neon atom act as active center and responsible for the laser action, while helium atom are used to help in the excitation process. The length of the quartz tube is about 50 cm and diameter is about 1 cm. Now, optical resonator. To construct the optical resonator cavity, two parallel mirrors are placed at the end of the quartz tube. One of them is partially transparent while the other is fully reflecting. The spacing between the mirror is adjusted such that it should be equal to the integral multiple of half wavelength of the laser light. Third, pumping system. The pumping is done through electrical discharge by using electrodes that are connected to the high frequency alternating current source. Now, working of helium neon laser. It is a 4 energy level laser. The electron produced from electric discharge collide with helium and neon atom and excite them to the higher energy level H2 and Ne4 at 20.61 electron volt and 20.66 electron volt respectively. These two states are metastable, so the atom may stay there for a long time. They are very close to each other. Thus, some of the helium atom at He2 state may transfer their energy to ground state neon atom through collision and excite them to the higher energy level Ne4. The kinetic energy of the atom provides the additional energy of 0.05 electron volt. Thus, helium atom help to achieve population inversion in neon atom. This is the energy level diagram of helium neon laser, in which left hand shows the energy level diagram of helium and right hand shows the energy level diagram of neon. Some of the neon atom will decay spontaneously to the lower state Ne3 at 18.70 electron volt by emitting photon of wavelength 6328 angstrom unit. The photon that are moving parallel to the axis of the tube will reflect back and forth by the end mirror of the rod and stimulate other excited neon atom to radiate another photon with the same phase. Thus, due to successive reflection of these photons at the end of the tube, the number of photons multiplies. After a few microseconds, a monochromatic, intense and collimated beam of red light of wavelength 6328 angstrom unit emerges through the partially silvered mirror. The atom at state Ne3 are unstable and decay spontaneously to a lower state Ne2, and finally they came to the ground state by losing their remaining energy through collision with the tube wall. Helium neon laser operates continuously. Now let's understand role of helium in helium neon laser. The role of helium gas in the laser tube is to provide pumping medium to neon atom to attend the necessary population inversion for laser action. In this way, we completed the topic helium neon laser. Thank you.